Hi guys, welcome back to Tax Q&A. In today's video, I'll answer some of the most common questions people have while they file their tax on Quicko. Let's get started. Okay, Rohan is asking, I switch jobs midway through the year. Can I add multiple Form 16s on Quicko? Yes, you can. If you have worked with multiple employers over the past financial year, you can add Form 16s from both of them to add to your total income from salary. You need to first upload Form 16 from one of your employers, verify those details and click on Save and Continue. Next, click on the Add button and follow the same process for rest of your employers. Next, Gia is asking, ITR 3 is applicable to me, but I can't find the option to choose. Where can I select the ITR form? Your ITR form is selected automatically based on your income situation. So, if you have any sort of capital gains, ITR 2 will be selected. Or if you have income from, say, a business, the ITR form will get updated to ITR 3 as soon as you add the business details. Okay, Neha says, I have 3 Demat accounts with different brokers. Is it possible to connect all of them on Quicko? Absolutely. You can add as many broker accounts as you have. Most of the brokers are already partnered and hence you can directly fetch the data by connecting the broker app. In case your broker is not listed with us, you can explore options like importing data using our Excel template or adding the data manually. Kunal is asking, for the past financial year, I was an NRI. Where to change residential status? You can change the residential status by going to your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the top right. Once you're on My Profile page, you'll be able to edit your residential status. Now Dhruv is saying, I can see that the old regime is more beneficial to me from the regime analyzer. But I think by default, new regime has been selected. Where can I switch the regimes? For those who don't know yet, once you enter all your incomes and deductions for the year, you can compare and analyze the tax liability for both regimes. You just have to go to Tax Computation and click on Regime Analyzer. Now, you can either directly click on Switch Regime here and change the regime, or you can also go to the Additional Details Tax Regimes and change the regime. Sanjana asks, I sold some mutual funds in the last financial year. How do I report those? There's a direct integration with MF Central, which is a central repository of all your mutual fund transactions. Just go to Capital Gains, Import Investments and connect to MF Central. Karan is asking, can I find my family members' ITR from my account? Yes, you can. Here's how. First, they'll have to create a separate account with their PAN. Next, you need to go to your account, click on Profile icon and Manage Clients. Now, invite your family members by adding their email and name. Once you invite them, they'll be able to see an invite in their account when they go to My Accountant. As soon as they accept it, you'll be able to see their account and access their profile by clicking on Manage Taxes. Mohit is asking, I reported some losses in the past financial year. How can I add these brought forward losses? For this, you'll have to go to Additional Details and then Brought Forward Losses. You can simply fetch this data from the ITD by clicking on Autofill. V says, I connected the broker app and all capital gains were fetched. However, I can't see my F&O data. Where will I see that? Both F&O and intraday trading are considered business income. Hence, to add this data, you'll have to go to Business Profession. Click on Add Business, Trading Securities. If your broker is listed here, you'll be able to import everything with a single click. Rajiv is saying, I imported F&O data and see a pending action that says Add Balance Sheet. What should I add there? Whenever you're reporting business income, adding a balance sheet is necessary. As F&O trading is also considered a business, you'll have to add it too. For stock trading businesses, most of the fields aren't mandatory. However, for assets, you'll have to enter your bank balance as on 31st March of the relevant financial year. Moreover, if you want to claim depreciation on your assets taken for trading, you'll have to mention the asset details by clicking on Add. For example, if you've taken a laptop, you can add the asset description, select the type, add purchase value, purchase date and save. Under liabilities, you can add any loan if you've taken for trading, otherwise just proceed. Next, Rahul is asking where to show exempt incomes on Quicko. For this, you'll have to go to Other Incomes. Scroll below and click on Any Other. Here, there's a field for exempt income where you can enter the amount and save. This will not be added to your taxable income. And that was the last one for today. If Google search is too much work for you, Quora is full of opinions, then you should check out Tax Q&A, where you can toss questions and our tax experts give quality answers. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe so you do not miss out on what's coming next. Catch you in the next one. बंद कर. Both F&O and intraday ये patience. God.
मॉडलिंग नहीं करनी है.
Please give me patience. एक या दो या तीन. Shut up. I have many fans.